Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are wrapping our interior for wiring. So we're gonna strip the rest of the car and clean it up so we can get it ready for wiring. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we're working on our interior. So earlier in the series we removed everything in the front, but I only went this far. And so today we're gonna pull all this out. The back seats, we're not gonna use them because they're useless. We're gonna build a nice little stereo box or something pretty. And then we're gonna rip the carpet out. We're gonna remove the doors, both doors, because they're in the way. We're gonna remove this latch, and then we're gonna get ready for this bundle of fun, joy, and headache. So that's the plan. So we're gonna pull these wires out and then strip the rest of the car. Alright, so I got some dry ice, and so the idea is we're removing all this crap, but some of it's really sticky and some of it just came out. So like this side was pretty easy to take off, but this side is pretty solid. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put some dry ice, crush it, and see what it does, because I never done this before. So Alright guys, so I lost the footage of me spraying the car and a whole bunch of other footage. So, but what I did was I went in and I just sprayed some primer all around. And, don't mind the wiring, that's our next episode. But, we're gonna work on that next. So get that hole covered up and that one over there. So what I'm gonna do is take some cardboard and make some templates of the sheet metal I need to cut to weld all this in. And that giant hole over there. Alright, so this is kind of what I got going. So the idea is to bend the metal, weld in that side, and then bend it right here and weld it on and tap it in like this. So I'm gonna get the cardboard out, get some sheet metal, and start cutting out all the pieces and then trying to weld it all in. So alright guys, so I cut the plates out, but I decided not to weld them in because I need the access to that slave cylinder and all that good stuff. And what's better way to have access when you got a giant hole? So I'm gonna weld it in the future when I'm done bleeding the systems and all that good stuff, because it's hell of a easier to bleed the system when it's right there and the pedals over there somewhere in the dark. And then I also have a bunch of other stuff to weld. And so I'm eventually gonna have a day of just welding all day. But also let me know if you like this color in the comments down below. I've been testing some colors. This was from the last episode and does not look good in my opinion. This one looks pretty solid. So let me know down below in the comments if you like that color. And we will be back next episode with something else. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. If you liked it, make sure you let me know down below, and we'll be back next time with something else, and we'll see you then.